At any given moment, the 2,200 staff of South West London and St George's Mental Health Trust are caring for 20,000 people, helping them recover from mental health issues and allowing them to move on with their lives and thrive. Our amazing staff work tirelessly across many London locations to live up to our core values. We are respectful, open, consistent, compassionate and collaborative.
The most rewarding part of my job is every day I get to come in to work and care for people in their most vulnerable states.
One family went to the extent of making a big cake saying, "Thank you for giving our mum back and our lives back."
If it wasn't for the support of the Trust, I wouldn't be able to do the job that I do today.
It's been the difference between probably being alive and not. So yeah, the Trust is very important to me.
Mental health problems affect everyone at some point in their life. At any one time, 1 in 4 people will suffer from a mental health problem.
We're a clinical trust and we care about patients and their families.
We here treat people as individuals. We treat them with respect and dignity.
So we have some very specialist services for people who are deaf, people who have obsessive compulsive disorders or eating disorders. So really specialist services that aren't provided everywhere else. Society has moved a long way on other things, but there's still a stigma around mental health.
It's really important that we tackle stigma discrimination. If people understand that it's okay to have a mental health problem and it's okay to ask the GP for support and it's okay to use our services for that support, then that's a good thing.
We were voted one of the top places to work in the NHS, and I think that's because of the staff here, always going that extra mile, and it's really good to see the impact that staff can have on people's lives.
I feel I'm very fortunate to have a great team to work with, and they share with me the passion and the love that I have for this job.
It's just an amazing experience being a nurse here at the Trust.
This is a really exciting time for us at the Trust. We're developing state-of-the-art hospitals that will make a huge difference to the local community.
These will be some of the best inpatient facilities in the country. We spend a lot of time designing them, working with staff, with patients to look at what the best facilities can be.
The Trust will invest around about £160 million in both the Springfield and Tolworth sites. The Springfield site will involve a significant regeneration. We're going to deliver over 800 houses, a 32-acre park with green and open space for the local community. We're investing £5 million in local public transport, and we're going to hand over some land for a new 2-form entry primary school. On the Tolworth site, we'll be investing around about £80 million worth in the new hospital. That will involve 4 new working age adult acute wards, an OCD BDD ward, and also a CAMS facility, which is Children and Adolescent Mental Health Services. The estate modernisation programme will revolutionise mental health services in South West London for generations to come.
So really exciting time to be at this organisation. Really exciting time to join the Trust as well.
We currently employ over 2,000 staff. We have amazing opportunities in terms of accommodation, in terms of training opportunities, and we're quite interested in developing future leaders within the organisation.
It's fantastic when we get new people coming in and joining the team, particularly young people with bright new ideas who want to shake us up and want to argue with everything we do and put us on our toes, and that's good for us.
The most important thing that I want people to understand is that we provide safe, excellent and consistent services here.
A lot of the time it's easy to feel like nothing's ever going to help, and it's good to know that there is something that will help you get better.
A retired healthcare assistant wrote to us to say, "I worked in NHS and hospitals for 50 years of my life, but what I saw here was how people are treated with respect and dignity."
Our mission is making life better together.